Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare white rice and chicken stew with salad. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have my pan on the fire. I've added oil, allow it to hot for some time. Then I come in with my onions. I've already blended my tomato with pepper, onions, and shamba and tatashi. So you add it to the oil, allow it to steam. Then I've added my Maggi sauce, curry powder, and my seasoning sauce also. Allow it to steam for some time. Then you can now turn it very well so that it can mix very well. Then I have to add my protein, which is chicken. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use fish, you can use beef, you can use goat meat, but mine, I use chicken. So you allow it to steam after turning it so that you can get the good aroma. Then I have to add the chicken water. With my sliced tomato and onions. Then you turn it. Allow it to cook. You can see it look nice. My chicken stew white rice is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.